learn English.
Unit 1. Numbers. Activity 1.
5, 17, 27, 89, 7, 30, 39, 51, 80, 120, 349, 409, 411, 579, 614, 732, 925, 1003, 1012, 1120, 1376, 1539, 1630, 1780, 1899, 1905.
Activity 2. You will hear 7 numbers. Circle the numbers you hear. Number 1, 22. Number 2, 190. Number 3, 13. Number 4, 1010. Number 5, 70. Number 6, 151. Number 7, 1559. Activity 3. Listen to the prizes in a lottery. What were the winning numbers? Circle the correct number for each prize.
And here are the prizes in the lottery. Has everybody got their tickets? Good. Well, the 7th prize is ticket number 115. 115. The 6th prize is number 1770. 1770. The 5th prize goes to ticket number 19. 19. Now, let's see who will win the 4th prize. It looks like... Yes, number 309. 309 is the lucky number. Now we have 3 more prizes. Okay, the 3rd prize goes to ticket number 59. 59. Right. And 2nd prize goes to ticket number 1990. Who has ticket number 1990 in 2nd place? Finally, the 1st prize. The lucky 1st prize winner is ticket number 40.
Unit 1, Telephone Numbers. Activity 1.
0830 941 557. 01 308 3378. 0274 388 26. 051 43 378. 061 352 2899. 86 451 283. 021 616 7425. 0462 623 728.
Activity 2. You will hear 9 telephone numbers. Tick the numbers you hear. Number 1.
313 597.
Number 2.
743 678.
Number 3.
01 808 7688.
Number 4.
0519 230 92.
Number 5.
0457 64332.
Number 6.
041 904 5308.
Number 7.
068 91 789.
Number 8.
339 279.
Number 9.
0425 5781.
Activity 4. Listen to people asking directory inquiries for telephone numbers for the places below. Write down the correct numbers.
Directory inquiries, which town, please?
Oxford.
What name?
I'd like the number of the John Radcliffe Hospital, please.
John Radcliffe Hospital. The number's Oxford 64711.
Thank you.
Directory inquiries, which town, please?
Birmingham.
What name?
The Odeon Cinema, please.
Odeon Cinema. Yes, the number's 021 930 2738.
Thanks. Bye.
Directory inquiries, which town, please?
Manchester, please.
What name?
Could I have the number for the Shangri-La restaurant?
Shangri-La. Yes. The number is 061 439 4576. Directory inquiries, which town, please?
London.
What name?
London University, please.
University of London. The number's 01 388 0542.
Thank you.
Directory inquiries, which town, please?
Bristol, please.
What name?
I'd like the number for County Hall.
County Hall. Bristol 88070. Directory inquiries, which town, please?
Edinburgh.
What name?
British Airways office.
British Airways. Yes, the number's 031 897 4567.
Thank you. Bye.
Activity 5. Listen to people telephoning the places below. Did they dial the right number or not? Tick the correct box, right or wrong. 1.
Let me see. The number for the restaurant is 0439 7889.
2.
Now, the number for the Central Library is 35946.
3.
The number for the Inland Revenue is 40811.
4.
I'll call the bookshop. The number is 01636 1577.
5.
British Caledonian, that's 0759 41112.
6.
The number for Kim's Food Store is 021 876 3804.
Unit 1. Addresses. Activity 1. Listen to people asking for the addresses of these places. Tick the correct address. 1.
What's the address of American Express?
It's 89 Mount Street.
2.
Could I have the address of Asia Pacific Travel, please?
The address is 103 Waterloo Road.
3. Do you have the address of Black & Decker?
Yes. Their address is 623 Holloway Road.
4.
I wonder if you could give me the address of Gulf House.
Yes. The address is 2 Portman Street, W1.
5.
What's the address of Pan American, please? It's 193 Piccadilly.
6.
Where's the Eastman Dental Hospital?
It's at 256 Gray's Inn Road.
Activity 2. Listen to people giving their addresses. Complete the missing information. 1.
What's your address?
313 Cumberland Avenue.
2.
Whereabouts on University Drive do you live?
At 615, flat 19.
3.
Could I have your address, please?
Yes, I live at 59 Wellington Street. 4.
Could you give me your address?
Yes, it's Grant Street, 109 Grant Street.
5.
You live on Judd Street, don't you?
Yes.
I'm at 206 Judd Street, flat 15.